beautiful bike. Getting them clean. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Can I get wet? Have you seen this before? JP is cleaning his bike with a helmet on. It's a new helmet, so rocking the Yoshimura exhaust, stock high, Brock carbon seat. It lowers the seat like half an inch, a little bit more than that. I added the tank pad and also the hand grips. They look freaking cool. They are the exact same color as the wheels. You can see the wheels there. They are blue, and you can see the blue on the hand grip. I'm also rocking the steady gloves. They are really good quality, and they're not too expensive. I think those costed me like $50. I have some bugs, full of bugs. We got the BMW. Beautiful, beautiful bike. See how it sounds. You can turn off without pressing the clutch.